I can't figure out how I missed a joint that's been doing it for 67 years. They've been doing this country cooking, and they're getting known now for something called Yam Fried Chicken. Oh, that's right up my alley. This is Florence's restaurant.
When they ask, what do you want? I said, I want your Yam Fried Chicken.
You've never tasted something that is so moist, so good.
I don't know what Yam Fried Chicken means, so I'm just gonna follow you.
When I first take it and season it with salt and pepper.
And then we also have a little seasoning in the flour, too. How old are those Dutch ovens there,
Oh,
Florence?
I wore out about 5 or 6 of them.
I don't think I've ever heard of anybody wearing out a Dutch oven. I think you probably wore out some people that have worked here. I think there have been people that come to work here and that have had to go retire, and you're still working.
Yes. And they ask me all the time when I'm going to retire.
I don't think that's gonna happen.
Not soon, I hope.
Some of the people that work here told me that you once in a while you quit.
When I get mad at them, I don't work anymore.
And where do you go?
Nowhere.
Oh, I gotta try that. I quit.
And we're going to make candied yams out of these.
Bunch of cooked yams.
But all of this sugar in there.
It's a lot of sugar, ma'am.
You're in for a treat. Add some butter. After a while, it'll turn into syrup.
Anything else we're gonna serve with this?
We got greens.
Collard greens?
Yes. I'm going to put these in a pot. And then I'll pour all of this water in, baking soda. There's the sugar, salt.
Chicken stock?
We put all of that stock in. They're going to cook about an hour and a half.
Plain old fried chicken's good for me, but now we're going Yam Fried Chicken.
We've already put our yams on the plate.
Okay.
Take the collard greens.
Okay, good.
Right in the sauce you go. Now you try that.
All right. You invented that?
Yes.
Delicious. You really season your chicken well. There's a lot of flavor in that pot. I love collard greens. Nice and tender, not mushy. Perfectly cooked chicken, tender candied yams, and you. Package deal. So in OKC, this is a must-go-to.
Absolutely.
You have to try it. All your taste buds are just gonna come alive at one time.
You're a big personality. You walk softly and carry a big stick.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. I resemble that remark. Thank you very much for having me. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Watch out for Florence. She quit, she'll be back. I've heard about this funky little Indonesian joint that is run by 2 daughters and their mom. This is Hardina.
It's just wonderful having international food, like Indonesian food, here in Philadelphia.
Here's your ginger fried chicken.
The fried ginger chicken is really good. We call it Ayam Kalasan.
This tastes exactly like how my grandma used to make it.
All right, so what are we making next?
The ginger paste for ginger fried chicken. Add our candle nut, shallots, garlic, ginger, galangal, turmeric,
Fresh.
turmeric powder. This is gonna be what's on the chicken. Now I'm gonna bruise this lemongrass, tie it up, and just stuff it in the pot. Indonesian bay leaf, turmeric, salt. We use country chicken, so it's not as like fatty as like, you know, young chicken.
Yardbird.
And then we're gonna add the paste. Let it boil,
How long?
2 hours.
Got it.
Now we add our coconut milk, and this will cook for about another 20 minutes. Strain out the ginger flakes and take out the chicken.
So much going on here.
And now we're making our sambal terasi. It's a hot sauce with shrimp paste. Thai chilies, the shrimp paste, shallots, tomatoes, lime leaf, and then you got your red peppers, sugar, salt, paprika for color. Blend.
It's when the magic happens. Delicious. Can't tell there's any shrimp paste in there or Thai chilies. We're gonna cook it off.
Yep.
So now we took the chicken out, let it dry a little bit, but you've skimmed off some of what we've cooked, and that's all on top of the chicken now.
Basically, you're frying the ginger paste. Now the ginger fried chicken is ready. You got your rice, a little sambal. Bon appetit. Salamat makan.
That's how I usually say it. I love the Yardbird. This little ginger fry crunch that's on the outside, I keep chasing it around because I want more of it. The sambal is the bomb. With the rice, with the crunch, with the fry, with the chicken, when you can get that optimum bite, it's dynamite.
Ginger fried chicken has the crispy skin that you want, but then the tender, moist meat on the inside.
The ginger, it just tingles on your tongue.
And then putting that sambal with it's super delicious.
I love bringing Triple D to the islands, man. I've been to Oahu, I've been to Maui, I've been to Molokai. Finally, I make it to the big island of Hawaii. So what do when I come here? I'm looking for some locals food. That is, if you're looking for some Filipino, Hawaiian, American twist, oh, I got your joint. It's right here. It Broke the Mount Grinds.
3 minutes on the burgers.
Food is always delicious and on point.
Loco Moco ready!
Dr. Mouth Grinds is a favorite here in Kona because they provide a lot of local favorites.
Pork adobo plate coming right up.
Every time you come here, you're gonna get good food. The service is great, and I love the owners.
That would be husband and wife Robin Gannier and Jean Nguyen, who are mashing up down-home food with some faraway flavors.
We make Filipino, Hawaiian, American food with a twist of my style. And
Where'd you learn to cook?
My family, they come from a cooking background, but it's, you know, the backyard boogie.
Right. With a dance move.
I went to Oahu, got some schooling.
Came back and did your own gig.
Yeah.
It's a new style of cooking Hawaiian food.
Garlic Furikake chicken.
Furikake chicken is so awesome.
It is like taking the best piece of Southern fried chicken and upping it up a notch.
The sauce is like a sweet, garlicky sauce that is like amazing.
First, we're gonna start with the marinade for the chicken.
Yes, sir. Soy sauce.
A little bit of brown sugar, just 2 teaspoons or 4 pounds.
White sugar, black pepper.
A mess of garlic.
A mess of garlic. Furikake.
So you got the dried seaweed and the sesame seeds.
Yeah, that's it. Bring it to a boil for 3 minutes.
Now we're gonna marinate the chicken in this?
No, we're gonna deep fry it first.
We're gonna deep fry the chicken and then put this on it?
Yeah.
Oh. Boneless but skin-on chicken thighs, dusted in the flour, a little bit of granulated garlic.
Yeah. Now our chicken is ready to fry, 12 to 15 minutes.
What temperature is the fryer?
350. In Hawaii, we say tree.
350. Next up?
Chili pepper
Chili wada.
Hawaiian rock salt, minced garlic, sriracha, sweet chili sauce, and Hawaiian chili peppers.
Get that with an immersion blender. And where's this sauce gonna go?
It goes on everything.
This is gonna give you the tang, the sweet, and the heat.
The sweet. It'll make you dance.
You don't want to see that. Chicken fries up, boom, it's done.
And we're just gonna dip it into the sauce. You just cut it up, like so.
3 thighs. Load it up, chef.
Just give it an extra drizzle on top. Furikake.
That's how you get it done right there. Is this more Filipino or more Hawaiian?
That's more of like a Hawaiian local.
That's my kind of food right there.
All right.
The crunch of the chicken, outstanding. Like over the top. The sweet that you're getting from the dip with the soy, brown sugar, and the garlic, it's great. But it's the contrast that you get from the chili water makes it sing.
Woo.
You ain't wearing board shorts after you eat this. You're a mumu.
The garlic furikake chicken.
The chicken is absolutely incredible. The sauce has this syrupy flavor to it with a real sweet back end.
It's super tender on the inside. It's really crunchy.
Yeah.
It's like a luau in your mouth.
Dancers and everything.